Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Beauty by AJ, and today's video is going to be a quick tutorial on a slick back ponytail using no gel. So let's go ahead and get into it. So I am starting off with freshly washed hair, and I'm going to be sectioning my hair into 3. Alright, so my styler of choice today is going to be Mousse Def, and I love this foam. I've talked about it on my channel several times, and this is the only styler that I'm going to be using. I have nothing else in my hair, so I'm going to start off by saturating my hair with this product, and then I am going to smooth, further distribute, and lightly detangle with the Felicia Leatherwood brush. I use this brush a lot also. And I've talked about it on my channel several times. So I've actually tried using the Doux honey foam. I can't remember the name right now, but I've used that for my ponytails as well, and it works just as fine. It's not as strong of a hold, but once you sit under the dryer, the style is set, and as long as you're not touching it too much, that foam works as well. So as you can see, I am smoothing. My hair was detangled in the shower, but I just like to detangle again just to make sure my ponytail is laying as flat as possible and there's no kinks or hairs that's sticking out. So now that that section is smooth, we are going to section it away and move on to the top. I'm going to be using a rat tail comb to define my part. Got to make sure the middle part is middle parting, you know. And we are going to continue the same process with the top 2 sections. Now I've done many slick backs with gel, and it's just something about using a whole bunch of gels and oils and everything that just makes it harder than it has to be. And it's also really easy to wash the foam out. It's one styler and it's not a heavy styler, so it's really easy to wash out. It's one product. It doesn't get, you know, more simple than that. All right, so now that this section is clipped, I'm going to do the other section off camera, and now we are moving on to the actual ponytail. I'm gonna further smooth with this hard brush. I really didn't need to use this because my hair was already pretty smooth, but I just wanted it to lay really flat. But this brush made the product kind of all go to the ends of my hair, so I ended up having to add more product. So I added a little more product, and now I'm doing the ponytail. I used a satin scrunchie, which I got off Etsy. I got like a pack of 5. And I really like these scrunchies because they don't have too much tension and they don't pull my hair out when I take them out. So I love using these. And as you can see, my hair is laying pretty smooth. And now I am going to twist the ends. I did this style for an event that was the next day, so I wanted my ponytail to come out looking pretty uniform and, you know, look good, being that I'm gonna sleep on it. So I'm gonna add that excess foam that's on the ends of my hair back to my roots and my edges, and now I'm gonna try to lay some edges. Not do too much, you know, I would like to keep my edges. And this is what the final look looks like. This is my hair wet, and here is my hair dry. I sat under the dryer for about 30 to 35 minutes, just until the outside was nice and set. And when I take out the twist, it'll look just how I want it to. And this style will last me about 4 or 5 days, depending on what I have going on throughout the week. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye!